Hi guys, it's Freelance over here. Welcome back to my channel. Mikey and I just got back from Hawaii. We were there for 6 days. It was a much needed vacation. We were just like tired from all the moving and unpacking to a new place. So we just decided to get away and go on a little vacation in Hawaii. We were there for 6 days. Oh, it felt like it was only there for 1 day. But it was such a much needed vacation, just like, you know, press the reset button and just be more rejuvenated. We really needed that trip, but I came back with some amazing goodies that I'm excited to share with you guys. I got them in Waikiki, Hawaii, which is an amazing place. If you've never been, definitely check it out. So it's just a little story with one of my goodies that I got. Mikey and I went to the pillbox hike, and it was such a really tough hike for me because last year, if you don't know, last year I had surgery on my heart and lungs, so I was very limited to what activities that I can do and what I can't do. So this year was this past week, it was just like so amazing to just be able to like do activities you know, I was told I can't do for a while. It was just so amazing. The hike was about 30 minutes going out for a normal person in perfect health condition, you know, in perfect health. It's only 30 minutes for them to get up to the top, but you know, due to my heart condition, it took Mikey and I an hour to get up to the top. It was absolutely worth it. We took a lot of breaks, and I'm just so blessed to have a husband who's like very patient with me, and then it doesn't hurt that the view was absolutely stunning from every single angle. And I would highly recommend that you bring your hiking shoes and even an umbrella and whatnot, because the pictures, the iconic pictures we saw from the top, most of the people were dressed up really cute. So I was kind of confused, like, oh, I should also be dressed up cute, so when I get to the top I can capture that perfect Instagram picture. But Lord, did I learn a hard lesson, because I had some flats on and a romper. I mean, you would check it out on our Hawaii video vlog, because you see what I was wearing. Please don't be like me. Like, bring a backpack and have your cute outfit in there, so when you get to the top you can change it and, you know, and capture your iconic picture that everybody takes. To the top of the hike, Mikey rewarded me with this goodies from Gucci, and he was like so proud of me. So as a reward, he ended up buying me a Gucci belt that I've been wanting for a long time. So he was just like so proud of me that I, you know, conquered the hike, and on top of that, I faced my fear of heights, which was like amazing. I still can't believe that I did that. So anyways, we decided to go to the Gucci store in Waikiki to get me the belt that I've been wanting for some time. I wanted to buy it last year, but we were planning for a wedding, so we needed to save up every bit of our coins. You know, if you're planning a wedding, you got married and planned a wedding before, then you understand what I'm talking about. Like, you have to save every single penny. So, you know, I had to put my priorities together. So Mikey knew how much this belt meant to me, and so he decided to gift me with this. So I want to share it with you guys. I already opened it, but I still want to share with you. And this is how this comes in this box. The box it's really high quality box. Here we go. Inside of it, there's another little bag that you can put your belt inside. I got the classic GG belt. I absolutely love this belt. I fell in love with it a few years ago, 2 years ago, and I wanted to have it, not because everybody had it. It's just so timeless. It's such a timeless belt, and it's just so super elegant, not too much. It's simple but yet elegant, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use it this summer with some maxi dresses, shorts, skirts, and you know, it's such an amazing piece that can transition into spring, summer, fall, and winter also. So I'm excited to see what I'll style this spring and summer season with this belt. So I just want to show you guys. Here it is. And massive shout out to Veronica from Gucci in Waikiki. She was such an amazing help. She helped me from like the beginning to the end. Like their customer service is on point. If you're ever in Waikiki and you go to the Gucci store, definitely like look out for Veronica. Tell them that Free told me to like check you out because you're amazing. So that's the Gucci belt. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to finally rock it and everywhere this in the coming weeks. I went to the Gucci store to only get the belt, but for some reason there's this purse that was staring at me. It was just like staring at me, and I think it's because I've been keeping my, you know, I've been eyeing it also for some time. You know, I've been watching it, and I was like, okay, I just have to hold it. And I did, and I put it on. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is just so cute. I absolutely love it, and I just couldn't leave with that, you know, without it. Mike was like, you want it? I'm like, yes. And I'm just like, but I can't be with a belt. He's like, you did so well today. You're definitely gonna have it. Like, as you can tell, I've already opened it, but I had to share with you guys. Like, at that. Just, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love the detail. It's in the beige. And then also the chain. I can have it like this. I can style like that. I can have both of the chains up, or I can have it in the front like that. I'll wear it mostly, most of the times I will style these as a cross body bag because it's just so super cute. It's a little mini, super mini one. I also have the black one, which has like the black details over here instead of beige, but I decided to get the beige one. I just feel like this one is super, like, it's a timeless piece also. I feel like it would never go out of style, and it just, I feel like even later on in life, if Mike and I have future kids and I still have these, I can pass it down to them. It's just so timeless. I love the detail of the chain. I'm obsessed with gold. Didn't have gold, but this chain color, you know, silver color works just perfectly. I just can't. It's super lightweight, and I love that about it. And here's the details in the front, inside of it. Back, love it. These are the two beautiful pieces that I got in at the Gucci store in Waikiki, and I absolutely love them. I can't wait to rock them. I love the fact that buying these pieces in Hawaii was actually saved me a lot of money compared to the price that I would have paid here in Seattle, Washington. If you think about spoiling yourself in your upcoming vacation, you're going to Hawaii, I will highly recommend that you save up your little coins and you get your money's worth, because on the mainland these pieces are more expensive than actually in Hawaii. You'll be able to save a lot of money like I did, and I'm just so happy because like the amount of money that I saved in Hawaii compared to the Seattle prices, it's totally, you can't even it's like night and day. And they're absolutely worth it, and it's super timeless. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel below, share it with your friends, and be on the lookout for our vlog from our Hawaii trip with Mikey and I. It was so much fun, and I'm also blogging about it on my blog, freezecloset.com, so I'll be able on the lookout. I'm gonna give you guys advice on which places to go to, the restaurants to eat at, and all that fun stuff. Well, I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you have a great day.